These may look like vintage embellishments, but they started at this, a bread clip template. Wait till you see the transformation. Hey friends, in today's quick video, I'm showing you how I made these fun little tab dangles using my new bread clip printable. They're perfect for journals, belly bands, even page clusters, and as you know, so much more.
Now you're going to print the template on your cardstock of choice. You'll want to print two so that you can create a stencil, and you're going to then place your stencil on top of your template, and then instead of rubbing back and forth your choice of ink, you want to just kind of pounce so that the darkness of the inks that are on the template won't change the color that you're trying to achieve on your dangles. Next, what you'll want to do is grab your stamps of choice so that you can start stamping on the actual template, the little clippies, if you will. And I'm using Black Archival, which is my favorite go-to, or Jet Black, excuse me. And I'm going to show you in a few seconds some of the upcoming images I'm hoping to release. I'm super excited for that. And I use about a total of 5 stamps, and it's totally up to you if you want to use more or less. But I also keep in mind that I want to use no more than 3 to 4 ink, just to not muddy the tabs, if you will. So here I'm using a butterfly stamp, and a tip too to keep in mind in the future, I think I will use a bit of tape to hold the template in place. But again, if you have magnets, that would work as well. And now I'm going to use a stamp by Toni at Crafty by Toni, and I'll put her channel down below so that you can visit her shop. I believe in supporting other creators. We are a lovely community, and what a beautiful way to support one another and share our gifts. Here is another tip. You can use a gel roll white gel pen to accent the sunflowers, and it's a really cool effect. I haven't done this in a really, really long time, but I really do enjoy using it from time to time. And you'll need to cut your backing squares 3 1/4 inch by 1 inch. And I used a sturdier art cardstock. Now I'm going to use a postage stamp with tea dye distress ink just to make the little tabs pop a little bit more. And that's just food for thought. Of course, you don't have to do that. But as you can see, these are super easy to put together. And now I'm going to use a kind of goldish bronze spray to give it a bit of a metallic accent. And then I'll be gluing them together, adding some embellishments, pretty straightforward. And then I'll give you a quick peek of all these final tabs that I created. And I hope this has inspired you, and that you'll also consider making your own. As I said, it's so much fun and super easy to create. And a heads up, tomorrow I'll show you how I will be filming some additional embellishments and even a journal for the official hashtag ABC April 2025 prompt. Thank you.